Very often when people think about hair extensions, they think about adding length. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys that hair extensions can also be used for adding volume. I love my hair length, but sometimes it's fun to clip in a few wefts of my Luxy hair extensions to add some mega volume. As you can see here, the regular 20-inch weft is longer than my own hair. So what I've done is simply trimmed my set to the same length. If you choose to do this, I highly recommend going to a professional hairstylist. But if you're comfortable with trimming scissors like me, all you have to do is clip the wefts in first, just like I'm doing here, and then trim the extra length off. I'm clipping in my ombre chestnut Luxy hair extensions, which not only add extra volume, but they also add highlights and dimension to my hair with absolutely no damage. That's it. Pop in some wefts of your Luxy hair extensions whenever you feel like having some extra voluminous hair for a night out or even every day.